Hi guys, welcome to T's Kitchen. So today I have the taste for, it depends on what island you're from. They call it bakes, johnny cakes, or fried dumplings. Those are the three names that are very common. It is a wonderful dough, biscuit-like, bread-like, but tastes totally different and tastes totally good. Um, eh, Most people eat it with different meals or different dishes. You can eat it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It is just so common and so delicious, you guys. So these are the ingredients. As you know, I love to mix my flour, whole wheat flour, white flour, a little bit of sugar, salt, and today we're gonna make two batches because I'm also gonna make floats. Floats is sort of like a bigger, like pancake-like size, I guess you could say, bakes. And I usually use dry yeast to make that one. So this is the dry yeast that we're gonna use in the second batch, and then this is the baking powder for the first batch. Okay, let's get to mixing. Okay, so now that we have our dough mixed, we're just gonna wait. Like I told you guys earlier, I do have two batches, one for the johnny cakes and one for the floats. So this one is gonna rise. I need it to rise a little bit, and then this one is just gonna settle a little bit, okay? So stay tuned for the next phase. Okay guys, while we wait for the dough to settle, I am going to make some salt fish to go along with our johnny cake, aka bakes, fried dumplings. Okay, so these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for the saltfish. I've already prepped my saltfish, right? As you can see, it was soaked this morning and boiled to take a lot of that excess salt out. No matter how much you soak saltfish, ultimately it still has a little bit of salt left in there, so we're not going to add any salt in our saltfish today because it's already salted. However, we did wash them and try to get as much salt out. And then these are the ingredients that we're going to use: onions, scallion, dried herbs, thyme, different peppers, and we are going to saute it nicely in some oil and some very mild tomato sauce or paste. I don't like it too red, but you'll see the process. Okay, we're gonna begin with our saltfish. We're gonna add some onions, lots of onions. Peppers, different kinds of peppers. Colors will look really nice. Look at that. I'm gonna make that saute on low, medium. Stay tuned. All right, time to add our saltfish in this beautiful mixed vegetables, onions, you know, like good stuff. Mix that up nicely. Looks really good. into it. Not too much color. Just a little bit. And I'm also gonna add some more spices in there. Give it some more flavor. Okay, we're gonna add our tomato sauce. Now everyone cooks their saltfish differently, so you know it's okay. Some people put it really reddish in color, slight reddish, or just plain saltfish with no color. I just like a little bit of color like this. Okay, I'm gonna add some black pepper in there, guys. A little bit of cilantro. Some of that dried herbs in there. And that's pepper. And you don't want it, I don't like it, but I don't think you should have it that oily where there's a lot of oil in there. So as you can see, it's not too much oil. And you just let that simmer. And cover it up. And we're gonna start working on our Johnny cake, aka bakes fried dumplings. Okay. Okay, our pot of oil is nice and hot. Time to make our Johnny cake, aka bakes fried dumplings. Here we go. We're gonna put the first one in there. All right, guys. Here we have it. Our meal is complete. Saltfish, Johnny cakes, aka fried dumplings, bakes, float, avocados, cucumbers.